Hey everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the model being used in Perplexity AI. So let's get started. Now, if you're using the free plan on Perplexity AI, you won't be able to manually select or switch between AI models. As you can see here, the option to choose a model is only available on the Pro plan. But if you do have the Pro plan, you'll notice an icon that says Choose a Model. Just click on it, and you'll see a list of models available for selection. For reasoning tasks, they offer DeepSeek R1, O4 Mini, Claude 4.0 Sonnet Thinking. And for general use, you'll find models like Sonar, Perplexity's fastest model, Claude 4.0, GPT 4.1, Gemini 2.5, and even Grok 3 from Twitter, now X. All you have to do is select the model you prefer, and you're good to go. Since I'm on the free plan, trying to choose a model just redirects me to the Pro upgrade page. But if you have a paid account, you can switch models easily. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.